Are you using Easy Digital Downloads to offer downloadable content on your site? Wouldn't it be great if you could see which pages your visitors are looking at, exactly how they're arriving at your purchase page, and then optimize your content and get even more conversions? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a very easy way to set up Google Analytics for Easy Digital Downloads so you can see that data and start making better decisions to grow your business. Google Analytics gives you in-depth insight into your customers' shopping behavior, their purchases, how they use coupons, your revenue, and a whole lot more. But setting up Google Analytics for Easy Digital Downloads can be a little tricky, especially if you're a beginner. You have to edit your Google Analytics tracking code, and if you're not a developer, well, you could just wind up with a whole lot of errors and mess up your tracking. Now, that's why we recommend using MonsterInsights. With MonsterInsights, you can easily set up e-commerce tracking and get the most important data without touching a single line of code. It's super easy. MonsterInsights allows you to easily connect your WordPress site with Google Analytics so you can view all the data that matters most right on your WordPress dashboard. With just a click of a button, you can set up really sophisticated tracking features such as event tracking and e-commerce tracking. Plus, you can easily track forms, custom dimensions, outbound links, media, and a whole lot more that Google does not track right out of the box. To get set up, you'll need to install MonsterInsights Pro. So to get started, we'll just head over to the MonsterInsights pricing page and then select MonsterInsights Pro. Once you're all signed up, you'll just need to head over to your account area and then go to the Download tab. Then download the zip file of the plugin to your computer. Okay, next, log into your WordPress site. And then on the admin sidebar, you'll need to click Plugins. And then select Add New. Then click the Upload Plugin button at the top of the page. All right, now you can either click Choose File or you can just drag and drop the zip file here. And then click Install Now. Once that's done, just activate the MonsterInsights plugin. Okay, now you'll need to connect Google Analytics to your site. Now, don't worry, it's easy. Just follow the steps in the setup wizard and Google Analytics will be added to your site and you won't need to edit any code. So how are we doing so far? Well, it's making sense. If you need a little bit more detail, then just visit the link in the description to our guide on how to add Google Analytics to WordPress. All right, now that you've got MonsterInsights set up and you've configured Google Analytics, you'll need to activate the eCommerce add-on. Like I mentioned just a few moments ago, you'll need to have a MonsterInsights Pro plan or above to use the eCommerce add-on. So to activate the add-on, just go to your admin sidebar and then hover your mouse over Insights and then go to Add-ons. Now just find the eCommerce add-on and click Install and activate the plugin. Okay, great. Now you've activated e-commerce tracking and you'll start seeing e-commerce metrics on your WordPress dashboard. Now to see the report, just go to Reports and then click on e-commerce. Now you'll see an overview of your site's performance. So you'll see your conversion rate, the number of transactions, the revenue you made, and the average order value of the selected date range. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see which product is generating the most sales. You'll get details about the quantity of products that you've sold, the percent of total sales it's generating, and your total revenue. You can use this data to identify your best products, and then you can list similar products on your site to make even more money. All right, scroll down a little further, and you'll see your top conversion sources. This report shows you where your customers are coming from. In other words, the top sites that are sending the most converting visitors to your website. So you can see the total number of visits from each source, the percentage of visits that each site contributes to your overall referrals, and the total revenue created from each source. Now, you can use that information to create targeted marketing messages, and you might even want to reach out to your top referrers and form a partnership. A little further down the report, and you'll see total add to cart, total remove from cart, and even more data. See how all that works? Now you can easily track your Easy Digital Download store and view its performance on your WordPress dashboard. And there you have it. In just a few steps, now you know how to set up Google Analytics for Easy Digital Downloads. With Monster Insights, you get the website stats that matter. See why over 3 million websites use us. If you're not already using Monster Insights, there's a discount link in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this. We'll see you next time.